Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add camera to lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if at the end of this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on wallpaper and style. Then click on lock screen wallpaper. Click on the plus button either at the bottom right or at the bottom left. Select camera. Now go ahead and click on done at the top right. You should see changes apply to lock screen. Now go to your phone lock screen by pressing the power button once. Then press again to open it. Then you should see the camera added to the bottom right or the bottom left. To use it, just drag right. Then should sit like this and then you're good. So that's exactly how to add camera to lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.